Now I will turn things over to 3.8 to lead the attack against these bugs.
Is everyone ready? Crazy Bob?
I am ready, sir.
Bite Me?
Ready to go.
Fry Albertus?
Ready to roll.
Dr. Bug?
I was born ready.
Oh, excellent. We are all ready here. So let us start.
If I could interject something before we begin, I just would like to say, before we started this project, I advised management that we wouldn't be having a lot of these code problems we've got now if we just used Ada. You know, we're on Java. Ada would really, you know, it would solve a lot of our integration problems and all. And I just wanted to make that clear that I told them before we began this project we should do Ada. And here we are looking at Java. So I just wanted to make that clear before we got started.
Well, I mean, with that, just trying to read this baloney code that this guy wrote is unbearable.
Well, I think we
almost
should
got
just
sick to my
just proceed with the review problem.
Oh, well.
But gentlemen,
okay.
let me
You
remind you that I am the controller here. Thank you very much for your advice. Dear reader, Dr. Bug, please start.
We start with two imports in the code. The first one is an import to the Java IO package, all the classes in the package. And there's the right semicolon right after that. And there's another import, which is to Java Lang system, which is used for the IO, and another semicolon. So this looks fine.
So line one is actually not good coding style because you should never import, you're polluting the namespace. So we should never import asterisk. We should only import the classes that we're actually using.
Well, I think it's okay though, right? If we need to use multiple ones, do you want to spell them all out?
But then you're polluting, you're bringing in all these names that we don't really need. So I think it should be what, Java, I think the only IO class, let's see, input stream reader. So we should have java.io.input stream reader.
And you're wasting space by doing this. I mean, it's just, why is it there? And thanks for telling us about the semicolons. That's a big help.
Yeah, I figured. Can I continue?
Yes,
or-
please continue.
So,
Next.
should I record that as a defect or we don't believe that's a defect?
I think you should. Personally, I gotta echo Crazy Bob here because if we move to the next line, purpose, we have the slash star here for comment style, and then further on down, we're going to use the slash slash. Some consistency would be nice.
So I think we should record that as an error.
But let's move
That's
on.
bad style.
Sure. Okay, Crazy Bob will record it. Dr. Bug?
Okay, fine. Okay, then the main class starts, which is.
Before we do that, let me complain about line 2. I don't believe you have to import anything from Java Lang, right? I believe Java Lang comes in automatically.
I believe
So that's
that's
a
correct.
useless import.
Okay, fine. I mean, that's what my mentor told me that I was supposed to do, but that's okay. Okay, so then we start with the main class.
Maybe we should reconcile this comment issue before we move on. As
I
brought
think
up
so. I think
by
so.
Bite Me. I mean, that's just, don't you have coding standards and which would include how to write comments in your?
I do, and it's usually just stick with one, and then that's the way it goes for the rest of the comments.
The slash star has so much history with it. You know, we want to reflect the fact that this is a historical artifact.
I don't know if I agree. I think not only that, I'm not sure what constitutes getting its own white space, like an extra line here. We'll have when we move down further, maybe we come back to this, but I have a couple places that I've marked that I just don't quite understand. Where
Let
the
me build
comments
on
are
what
coming in.
Bite Me is saying. Let's move on now. We'll come back to this. Dr. Bug, please continue.
Thank you.